Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Traders, 10:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, November 13th, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when the videos come out, as well as thumbs up and share the video. We are here to talk about STORJ. STORJ on Web 3.0, decentralized environment. Let's get into it. Intraday updates on the Twitter link below. STORJ, man, we hit a nice high like in the wee hours this morning. It was like 5 or 6 in the morning. We wound up spiking up to $1.88, making a pullback, but very clearly breaking through this line of resistance at $1.68. It's very clear to me this thing wants to make a move. Now, there's a couple of areas of potential resistance here. One is certainly around the $1.88, $1.90 range, but there will be another one up here at the 212. So just pay attention to these two areas. I'm going to save this so that we have it for the next video in the event something starts melting up. But it would be helpful to get this picture perfect so that we can continue to follow along. So we get past 189, 190 properly, and then our next run could be up to 210 and maybe beyond. Like, this is hard to say, but right now support is at $1.68. Current resistance at $1.89, $1.90. And then if we break through that, we go up to 210. However, if we break down below 168, we could be in for another support area of $1.58. So keep your eye on that, and I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Excuse me. In the meantime, STORJ Bitcoin. Let me zoom out on this one. Let me first save this one because we don't want to lose it. All right, there we go. Now on to other things. Now we do have, definitely we broke through, but we're back down again. I think we're probably, let me just expand this out here. We could be hitting this as support around 26.89, but for sure looking like an area of resistance here as well. If I scroll my cursor all the way to the left, we can see a couple of areas of support and resistance back here. Hard to see, and then resistance again over here. So this is a formidable resistance line, very similar and symptomatic, as similar to the STORJ US dollar pair. So I will save this one as well for tomorrow's. In the meantime, Bitcoin US dollar catching a small bid. If you don't know what this rectangle is, look at yesterday's video. We talked about the three instances where this rectangle has played out in the past. One big one, one medium one, and one small one. We're in the small one right now. But remember, every single time we melt up pretty high. In addition to that nice view of the rectangle, which I consider bullish, we also have those dual lines of support, which we talked about on yesterday's video. Still thinking a floor of 62,000. We could come back down again and then make a rise, but you know, I feel really comfortable around 62,000 as a proper line of support for Bitcoin. In the meantime, let's go over to Bitcoin dominance, excuse me. We're starting to curl up over here. The curl up was based on and triggered on, you know, Bitcoin starting to catch a bid, which is actually what we want to see. It sets the table for an altcoin rally in the near future, so long as we get new capital plowing into Bitcoin and then showing that Bitcoin's rising quickly relative to altcoins in the specific case where new capital is coming into Bitcoin. The overall pie of the market needs to go up, and Bitcoin dominance needs to go up in order for us to see that future transfer of Bitcoin into the altcoin space. It is absolutely imperative. That's just my view. In the meantime, STORJ is $1.73, looking good. Not really nice rally. Again, resistance over at $1.90, support around $1.69. Catch up on tomorrow's. Thanks.